Guys, I'm here. I am here. As always, could you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so? If you're new, you are most welcome. My name is Jane and it's lovely to meet you. Do not forget to click on the notification bell because that lets you know when I put out a new video and you can be part of my notification gang because, you know, like I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, by all means, leave your question in the comment section below because I can actually contact Makari with any of your questions and then I'll bring the answers straight back to you. Okay, shall we go straight into the video? Makari isn't paying me for this review. I have no business whatsoever with Makari apart from asking questions when I'm not sure about something and they do get back to me. So there's no connection with them. They're not my best friend and I'm not theirs. They're, you know what I mean? Like, so you're gonna get an honest review about this product. Now, can I just show you another that I have added and I will tell you why in a bit. So I've got the glycerin which is finishing and I will come back to this glycerin. So let's go straight into the first one. Sorry if I'm in and out of the shots and also the light because I'm moving about a bit. Right, these are the first ones I started using, and if you haven't watched my first video, I would actually recommend that you go back and watch the video. But if you want to carry on watching this one, that's absolutely fine, but I will leave the link for the first video for you to go back and watch if you haven't seen it. Now, when I bought this, I explained that I wanted something to clear the marks on my skin. I usually get, like, I know some of you ladies know what I'm talking about, you know, like little dotty stuff on the chest, they pimples, scars. So this is my chest right now without showing you my boobs. Let me go back so you can see it. Okay, and my arms, because I have hyperpigmentation problems, so if I get a scratch, and I usually do react to stuff during summer, maybe insects bite, or if I've been out cutting the grass, then I start to itch, and then when I scratch, it leaves horrible dark marks on my skin. My daughter suffers from hyperpigmentation, so we have that kind of skin. So I was always covered in spots and marks, and what I used to do was I will buy a cream to kind of like try and clear it up, but they're usually a skin lightening cream, and you know, like these days you don't know what to use, you don't know what chemical they've put in them, and what I find is that it changes my color and I go from being a nice mocha chocolate color to light skin. I am not a light skin lady, and in fact I'm a big fan of my natural skin tone. I'm in between very dark skin ladies and very light skin ladies, so I'm just right in between, and I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful color. My mom thinks it is, and I think so too. So I don't like to use products that will lighten me at all. I don't like it because they're usually, I don't know, a little bit dangerous, and also you find out when you get marks, it gets even worse. Now guys, I wanted to change that. I wanted to get something that will clear my skin and be safe for me to use. So I found Makari Carotonic Extreme Natural. Now I will come back and tell you why this natural is, because people have asked me questions off my old video. So I read your comments, but I haven't answered because I knew I was going to do this video. So listen carefully. So my skin is looking good, guys. I still have dark spots that you can see a little bit that still needs to be cleared, but majority have actually gone. Sorry, it's a bit hot and I'm sweaty. My chest is doing ever so well, guys. In all that, in my other videos, I used to have to wear makeup, yeah, my foundation on my chest and cover the spot. I am not wearing any. Hold on, let me find like a white stuff and clean so you can see. So look at it. Let me do the other side as well. Can you see? Nothing. And my skin just looks smooth and absolutely beautiful. I love it. This has done so well to my skin, and the marks are clearing. When I started using it the first time round, I darkened 2 shades because the previous cream I was using was lightening me, so I actually started to darken because this wasn't doing what that one was doing. So I thought, oh, what's going on? So I carried on using it because the marks were clearing, so I didn't care about being darker or whatever. I exercise outdoors as well, and I get the sun on my skin. I do wear some protection, and this one also has SPF of 15. And before I started using this cream, the other cream I was using, once the sun hits me, you can literally see the damage the sun was doing on my skin. So I used to have to cover my body all the time, but with this I didn't need to do that. My face is doing ever so well. My neck, guys, I love this cream, and I think I'm struggling to actually sell it because I don't want to get too excited. And also on my last video I was told that I was speaking too fast, so I'm speaking a little bit slower so that people can understand me. So I was using this one on my body. It works for me, it moisturizes my skin. The issue I had with this, okay guys, like I said, I'm gonna tell you the truth. The only issue I have with this is that it's so thick, so difficult to actually take out of the bottle. Now, when I bought it, I read through Makari website about this, and they've advised not to add anything to it. And I can see where they're coming from. You don't want to go and get other things and add to it, and it will affect the cream, and maybe it will stop it from working. But I didn't really listen to them, so I struggled to get the cream out. And what I did was I went and bought almond oil and poured into it, gave it a really good shake, and it was so easy to pour out. Almond oil is natural, so you can use almond oil. If you find it difficult to get this out, I used it and the cream still worked. So I looked on the website and I found the glycerin. I thought, okay, well, I'm not going to put the almond oil again. I'm actually going to get the glycerin and mix it with this one. So I was pouring the glycerin into this, and sometimes at night time I would only actually use the glycerin instead of the lotion. I absolutely love this because it keeps my skin so moisturized, and when I pour it into the lotion, it actually helps me to squeeze out the lotion, and it glides really smoothly on my skin. People have complained about how thick the cream is, that it's difficult to glide on your skin and it's difficult to bring out, to squeeze out. So the solution to that is either use almond oil because it worked, and if you want to stick to the same product, you can buy the glycerin, pour it into it, shake it and use it. Again, Makari says do not mix. I mixed and it still works. So it's entirely up to you. If you want to follow Makari's instruction, by all means do so. If not, buy the glycerin one. If you want to use the same product, pour it in, shake it, and it's so good, so easy to take out of the bottle, and it glides on your skin smoothly. Absolutely wonderful. May I advise you to use it morning and night. There was a time I didn't have time to use at night, okay, and I was at home, so I had showers once because I didn't need, there's no need to have showers twice a day. I noticed that my skin wasn't glowing so much. I swear my skin wasn't glowing so much, but when I went back to using it twice a day, I again saw the result. It works quicker when you use it twice a day, so I would advise you to use morning and evening. Very good stuff this. Now, can I explain natural to you? Okay, so somebody commented on my last video. Again, it's important that you go back and watch that video because you will get to see what I'm talking about. She said, Jane, this is making me dark. My skin is not getting lighter using this cream. And I was like, yeah, me too. So I went back and checked with Makari on their Instagram page and said, and typed in the DM and said, well, someone is saying that it's not making them light. Is this supposed to make you light? Tell me more about this cream. I tell you guys, I'm not even kidding you. I got instant reply. They're so good. The customer service is amazing. They told me that the natural range isn't there to lighten you. It will toning you meaning that it will bring out your actual natural color and make it look even better, just like it's done to me now. Like, I'm not light skin, I am in between, and I absolutely appreciate the way my skin looks. And also they advised me to make sure that I'm using extra sun cream. So although this one has got 15 SPF, I also use a spray sun cream that is 50 factor, so SPF of 50 on top of this. And since I started doing that, it's worked wonders. So if you're using this cream and you find that you're getting darker, my advice to you would be to try their other range that hasn't got natural written on it, because that is probably most likely to give you that lighter tone that you're looking for. I'm not sure if Makari do things like that, because they are quite reputable and they probably don't promote skin bleaching. I don't know, but the natural one will not bleach you, but it will tone you and give you a natural glow, which it is giving me. I absolutely love the way I look. Now, for you to prevent your skin from darkening, because it may well be because you're exposing yourself to the sun without wearing sun cream, go get yourself a sun cream, especially now. It's so hot in England. I suppose it's so hot everywhere in the world at the moment. So make sure that you're wearing a high SPF when you're going out. I exercise outdoor and the sun is constantly on my skin, so I spray the spray one. I don't use the cream one because it's horrible, so I just spray it on my arm, anywhere that is exposed, my back, my chest, my arms. As you can see, my arms are darker. Even though I'm spraying all those things, my arms still get darker because the sun is directly on it, but my chest is a bit more protected and my neck as well. Okay, make sure that you're wearing sun cream every single time you're out of the house if you're using this, because you will get the best of the cream. Okay, I absolutely love this. You know, I've said it before, the first time I tried it, that when I actually put the serum on, at first it appears a little bit oily, and then it absorbs into my skin. I absolutely love this serum. I have nothing bad to say about this. It's got SPF of 15 as well. My foundation has got SPF in it, so I'm totally covered. But if you want, you can put sun cream on your face. I don't like sun cream on my face, it messes with my makeup, but the foundation I use has SPF of 15 plus this one, it will be altogether 30. So I am protecting my face. As you can see, my face is stayed my natural color. I absolutely love it. But this serum is amazing. So I use it in the morning and I use it at night time. It gives my skin that beautiful glow. I absolutely love it. Like I said before, I am 42 and I'm not using any anti-aging stuff. I only use this one. However, before I go to bed at night, I use, I don't think I'm looking at the focus, but don't worry about it, just listen to me. However, before I go to bed at night, I apply this. I don't let it get near my eyes, but I dip my finger in almond oil and I put almond oil underneath my eyes. Guys, it works wonders. It clears the panda eyes and it keeps your under eye moisturized. You know, I've done a video about under eyes before. You've got to protect your under eyes. Make sure that you keep them moisturized. If you're not allergic to nuts, use almond oil, but if you're allergic to nuts, do not use it because you might react to it. Okay, you can do like a skin patch test first of all. So put a little bit of almond oil on your skin and see whether you react to it. If you haven't reacted to it, it means that you don't react to it, of course. Then you can use it. So use this on your face, but do not let it go anywhere near your eye area. Okay, so the final product I'm using of Makari is the glycerin. Like I said before, I use the glycerin to moisturize at night, or I pour it into the actual cream and it makes it really easy for me to squeeze out. I absolutely love this. It's amazing. So this is going to be my cream for life. So yeah, guys, make sure that you're getting from the right vendor. Always make sure that it's got that mark of authenticity, originality, I don't know, but you know, make sure that you're getting the right one, otherwise you will get the fake one. But I recommend this natural if you're looking to tone, but if you're not, find the one that hasn't got natural on it. It's most likely to make you a little bit lighter. But if you're looking to stay natural like me, yeah, go for this. It's absolutely wonderful, guys. I have nothing more to say about this. If you've used it before, you can put your comments in the comment section below. Actually, someone said, can you use the cream on your face? No, I did not. I used the serum on my face, not the actual body lotion. So I don't know. Don't do it. It might make you break out. I'm not sure, but you can try if you want to, but use the serum on your face instead of the body lotion. All right, guys, I've got to go because my camera is running out. I can see the 1% showing, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, in which case, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I shall see you guys again very soon. Love you lot. Mwah. Sorry about the heat. I'm glowing. Bye. Mwah.